The stomach factory. A day in the life. The day began, not with a whistle, but with the aroma of sizzling bacon. In the control room of the stomach factory, Gastrin, the factory manager, a tiny but powerful hormone, sprang into action. Cephalic Phase, people, he boomed, his voice echoing through the microscopic corridors. Prepare for incoming order. Parietal cells, responsible for producing hydrochloric acid, HCl, the factory's potent cleaning solution, immediately sprang to their stations, their tiny pumps whirring. Chief cells prepared pepsinogen, and mucous cells, the factory's tireless maintenance crew, started squirting out a thick, protective layer of mucus, muttering, "No ulcers on my watch." Then, the conveyor belt rumbled to life. The gastric phase had begun. Stretch sensors, strategically placed throughout the factory, signaled a large incoming order. Gastrin shouted, "Full steam ahead." HCl flooded, creating high acidity. Pepsinogen, acid activated, sliced proteins swiftly. The mucous cells continued their diligent work, their mucus a vital shield against the factory's powerful cleaning fluids. Fatty acid Fred's emulsion. A rookie mistake. The intestinal phase arrived gradually, signaling a change in pace. As the partially digested food, known as chyme, moved into the small intestine, the factory slowed down. Secretin and CCK, two supervisory hormones, sent a message. Enough acid, send enzymes, and bile. The pace eased. Workers took a breather, but the mucous cells remained vigilant, their protective mucus still coating the factory walls, ensuring the smooth operation continued. Parietal cell asked, "More acid?" A mucous cell replied, "Unless you want a hole in the wall, buddy."